What's up, fam? Today let's talk about e-scooters, the Kaiser Baas E1 e-scooter in particular. Let's go! Alright, what's going on everyone? Today behind me we've got the E1 Kaiser Baas scooter. Now today I'm going to take you through some features and basically what it comes with inside the box. Now I've had it for about 2 or 3 weeks now and I must say that I'm pretty stoked with it and it's an amazing product. Right, so when you get the e-scooter it comes folded and the handlebars are also unscrewed. Just like that. When you also get the e-scooter, it obviously comes with your user manual as well as your warranty. The screen on top here shows your speed as well as your modes. So there's 3 different modes. There's the one where you can go 15 kilometers an hour, 20 kilometers an hour, and 25 kilometers an hour. Now the battery can last anywhere between 25 minutes, half an hour I believe. Also on the screen it does show your battery levels, which is pretty handy dandy. The brake system on these are electric and they're not disc brakes like most scooters that you'll see. On the scooter as well it has some pretty cool cat's eyes just so it warns other drivers, but remember if you are driving on the road or riding on the road, please wear your helmet. Now the coolest thing about this scooter is the mobility and the portability of this scooter. Portability, is that a word? Portable, it's portable. It's super easy to fold. I believe this thing is about 11 kilos, so if you can carry 11 kilos, you're good. Alright, simply pop this lever up, pull this down, and on the secondary back brake, push it down, clip it in, and away you go. Just kidding. Let's talk about how it looks. Basically it has a matte black finish. The deck or the standing pad, whatever you want to call it, is obviously grip tape, but below that is a nice wooden finish which gives it that vintage, stylish, jiggy look, which is pretty cool. Right, and to wrap up, I'd probably recommend this product to anyone that's all the city slickers that are going into town for uni or for work. It's obviously a great product for commuting because of its mobility. So hopefully this has been an informative video. Let us know what you think, and if you have any questions, give us a comment, let us know what you think. Ciao. See ya.
You take it or leave it.